Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Bill4Time expense tracking. Bill4Time is a comprehensive time and expense tracking software designed to help professionals and businesses manage their expenses efficiently. To get started with Bill4Time expense tracking, first create an account and set up your profile. This includes adding your company information, setting up users, and configuring your expense tracking preferences. Next, navigate to the Expenses tab where you can add new expenses by clicking on the Add Expense button. Here, you will need to enter the date, description, and amount of the expense, as well as categorize it and assign it to a project or client. Bill4Time also allows you to upload receipts and attach them to the corresponding expense entry. This helps to keep all your expense documentation organized and easily accessible. To make expense tracking easier, Bill4Time also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, allowing you to track expenses on the go. Simply take a photo of the receipt, enter the expense details, and sync it with your Bill4Time account. In addition to individual expense tracking, Bill4Time also allows you to generate expense reports and invoices. These reports can be customized to include specific expenses, projects, and date ranges, and can be easily exported to accounting software such as QuickBooks. To ensure accuracy and compliance, it is essential to establish a regular expense tracking routine. This includes setting reminders to submit expenses, reviewing and approving expense reports, and reconciling expense accounts on a regular basis. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bill4Time to track and manage your expenses, streamline your financial processes, and make informed business decisions. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Bill4Time is an ideal solution for professionals and businesses looking to simplify their expense tracking and management.